that before or after?
No, I don't remember whereabouts that was, but long story short, they replaced it.
Mine too. I got my water and it didn't work.
Yeah, he's like, they didn't have to. I'm like, oh, stop working.
They don't look, they don't have a water.
Yeah.
They looked, and they do have water indicator. It's on there. He told me that it wasn't, I could see it. He told me it was still white.
I don't know.
I think it takes a
I
while.
don't know how. He goes, yeah, your voice doesn't work very well, so I'm just going to switch out for a new one. I'm like, yeah, it sounds good, man. Thanks. I was pissed off.
You got the hiccups? You got the hiccups? Yeah.
No, George, get off the couch.
I'll probably call them up.
He's looking at you like,
Hey.
Couch?
Heck.
Got lots of stuff on
You smile. You smiles.
Oh,
No smiles.
He's not even a big dog. We're gonna have a bigger dog.
You getting one?
Heck.
I guess I got 2 kids, so I might as well just get a dog.
what are we gonna do with those cats?
I don't care. They live with Campbell. Find out my last.
A little banana.
Yo, how many cats?
Banana right there.
Diana has cats. Ella has cats. I don't.
I got it.
They live in the house.
I got.
George, down.
You got hiccups?
Yeah, my friends do that all the time.
What?
When you call her and she didn't answer, so I sent her a text to see what's up. Because I'm like, well,
I found
I'm
I'm not sure he's still on.
And then she.
No.
Maybe she's
How much
busy.
easier it is to make some So, anyways,
Got the hiccups.
she's showering now. So she should be ready.
Bounce. You bounce?
Um,
Sweet.
she said,
We're leaving here at about 6. You leave how many hours to get ready? A full one? If that's anything like the time scale you gave me this morning, you might as well start getting ready. Get ready in 30 seconds, 15 minutes. Still farting around.
she said, probably heading downtown around 5 or 5:30. She'll meet up and grab a bite to eat somewhere. I said this on the club, but.
Should be starting to want to go straight to the show.
Oh,
And I'm not gonna, I don't want to grab a bite, I want to eat there. They got good food. Yeah, like, I don't know about everybody else, but maybe I'm fair. I know, it's all fair. Like, I want cheese curds. I don't want to go out to like some restaurant.
Deep fried Oreo.
We're at Donovan's for like.
Oh, you're going crazy. You're going crazy.
Yeah, but there was some good beer last year. I want to see that.
Emma's going
Oh yeah,
crazy.
Curtis did kind of have me meltdown. I understand if I wanted to.
There you go,
I will admit that I did not have people for if it had been Ava Brothers, I would have been all in.
okay, wait, so we won't be downtown until what, 6:30?
We're going straight.
At the early.
So we will meet you at the facility. No, my babysitter will be here by 5:30, so that'll get us.
Wow, then
That's why I said 6:30. It's a half hour behind.
Go. Jump.
Parking's probably gonna suck.
Jump.
We're gonna have 2 cars again. Oh yeah, because I didn't go see Weezer. That's why I was confused. Like, how did I not see Weezer?
We went to Donovan's.
And then we went to Tuesday.
On Friday?
Yeah.
right.
pizza.
I didn't know.
You didn't know you didn't. You remember we picked up Jan from the school, that high school parking lot. And someone sat, Chris sat in the back of my truck. I don't think we had the full, I think two people had the
Yeah, there were 7 people.
Yeah. Jenny and I sat in the back of the big load.
Tom car.
Please be careful of that coke, Ella. Alright, so tonight we're gonna launch things from off now. Who wants to see Citizen Coke?
I'll go see him.
Was that you that wanted to see them for?
It's probably like the only band I know out of the.
What time do they play?
They put at 7:15 the same time as Amos City.
Amos City is good.
I was gonna say I'm probably more. I've heard the name, I've never heard it.
You can listen to my iPod. My iPod has some of the songs.
I'm really bummed I missed it.
Get a banana. Get that banana. Banana.
I think your lineup's a little weak. I think Real Montana is not going to be
Fishy.
There you go. Can I see City?
That's not a fish. That's like a
Yeah.
Cancun.
It's all there.
What? Want some too?
Yeah. Pretty much.
Yeah, I want some done.
You guys, I'm open on Wednesday and before Saturday.
We just had a marathon.